first time I caught you out again. You spend your time without that dirty night in a cubicle. You got that lipstick smeared around your face. You got them skinny boys staying at your place. I know your story, it won't be up straight, 'cause when I'm not there, I know you can't wait. This ain't the first time I caught you out again. You spend all your time in a little cubicle, in a cubicle.